The deep sea is the largest museum on Earth. It contains more history than all the museums on land combined, and yet we are only now penetrating it, said Robert Bullard, an American retired Navy officer and a university professor of oceanography. Today, I will talk to you about oceans. We will be discussing why oceans are blue, why oceans are important, and what is harming oceans. I chose this topic because I want to help bring some awareness about oceans and how they help us. Firstly, we will discuss why oceans are blue. Have you ever wondered why oceans are blue? The ocean is blue because water absorbs colors in the red part of the light spectrum. Like a filter, this leaves behind colors in the blue part of the light spectrum for us to see. The ocean may also take on green, red, or other hues as light bounces off floating sediments or particles in the water. Next, we will discuss the importance of oceans to the ecosystem. Here are some of the key benefits I found from the website oceanservice.noaa.gov. However, these are just a few numerous benefits that the oceans offer. 1. Oxygen. The ocean produces over half the world's oxygen and absorbs 50 times more carbon dioxide than our atmosphere. 2. Climate regulation. Covering 71% of the Earth's surface. The ocean transports heat from the equator to the poles, regulating our climate and weather patterns. 3. Transportation. 76% of all United States trade involves some form of marine transportation. Finally, let's take a look at some of the factors that are adversely impacting the oceans nowadays. There are multiple causes of the ocean's current critical state. Some of them are marine pollution, ocean warming, and acidification. Oceans are getting filled with plastic waste and harsh toxic chemicals from our daily use. This plastic waste and chemicals are not only harmful to marine life, but also they're contaminating one of the major food supplies for mankind. Also, oil spills are more common than you might think, and they happen in many different ways. Thousands of oil spills occur in United States waters each year because of improper boat maintenance, oil that spills out of cars, and oil that gets washed into the oceans by storms, and so on. Today, the oceans are under more serious threat than ever before. In the past few minutes, I trust I have brought some awareness about oceans and how they help us. Hopefully, because of this small speech, you have learned something about how oceans are blue, how oceans help us, and how we are impacting the ocean. We can help the ocean by 1. Avoiding single-use plastics and considering reusable products. If we don't cut our reliance on plastics, we'll never keep it out of the oceans. Don't use unnecessary plastic like straws, bags, and water bottles. If you must use a single-use plastic product, make sure to recycle it. You can protect the planet by switching to eco-friendly and reusable alternatives. Never litter. Carry a bag with you every time you head to the beach to collect your trash. Throw plastic in the recycling bin. 3. You should also conserve water and reduce pollutants. Use less water so excess runoff and wastewater does not flow into the ocean. Choose non-toxic chemicals and dispose of herbicides, pesticides, and cleaning products properly. Oils need to be recycled and not flushed into drains. These are only a few of the many things you can do to help the ocean. You can read more about the ways you can help the ocean in oceanservice.noaa.gov. So, will you take action and help the ocean in return for all that it provides to us? Or will you turn your back on it and let the Earth's most unique characteristic be destroyed?